In this video guide, I will show you how to transfer money from KOHO to bank. So friends, for example, if you want to transfer money from KOHO to Wise, in this case, all you have to do, follow me on this video, log in your account. This is the first step you need to do. Log in your account with your all information here, such your username or ID. In this case, write your user. After logging your account, if you don't have account, you can register your account here with your all information, and then you will see this page, guys. You will open this page up. From this page up, click on send option. This is for send money. After click on the send option, you will see this page, guys. Click on the dollar page from here and this rate. After that, when you click on this rate, you will see different option here, such like transfer or money, add money or send money here. Click send money in this case. When you click on send money, friends, all you have to do, search for anyone recipient, your name or email address you want to send money. And then from here, write your amount you want to transfer, such to $150, and then write note option. So guys, and then you will be processing your transaction, and then you will send successfully within just a few seconds. So guys, just follow this simple prompt to send your money. Click send here option. If you have any problems, guys, you can write your message on the comment, and I will answer your question as soon as possible.